I'm Alan with Watchdog Smart Home and Security. Today we're going to be doing a small installation on 4 wireless door window sensors, a motion, a glass break, and a smoke detector. So what we're going to do is just do the basic programming on them. So we have our 2 gig door control panel here, and the first thing we're going to do is there's a small icon on the bottom right hand corner. If you click on that, you can go ahead and enter your master code to get into programming, and then we will program our sensors. Right now we're going to go ahead and hit system configuration. So the first open zone is zone number 1. We're going to scroll down once. We're going to make it a 0-1 for entry exit, which gives them a 60-second delay to walk in and basically leave. Scroll down again. Equipment code will be a 0862 for wireless thin 2 gig door window contact. Scroll down again. It's going to ask us for our serial number. We'll hit shift and then learn, and we'll go ahead and we'll trip our sensor twice, and then it'll automatically learn into this panel. There we go. Hit OK. Scroll down to our next option, which will be voice descriptor. So we're going to make this one front door. So we hit insert, 098 for front, insert again, 058 for door. Now it says front door on our voice descriptor. And the very next thing we have to change is chime setup. I like to set mine up for a 01 voice only. And if the customer wants to change it from there, they can. Alright, scroll down one more time. It gives you a summary of the sensor you learned in. Looks good. So we go ahead and hit edit next. Now we're on zone 2. This is going to be garage entry right here. So same thing, we're going to make it a 01. Equipment code is next, 0862 for 2 gig thin door window contact. Scroll down again, it's going to ask us for our serial number. Shift, learn. Grab your second sensor. Open and close it twice. Learns it right away. Scroll down to the very next thing you have to change, which will be the voice. We're going to make it say garage door, so we go 101 for garage. Hit insert again, 058 for door. Perfect. Next option is just going to be the chime, which we make a 01 for voice only, which I like. Shows us a summary. Boom, that one's good. Now we're on sensor 3 here. Now this one's going to be for the back door there, which is going to be a perimeter instant alarm. So we actually make that a 03 for perimeter. So it does not give them the entry delay, 60 seconds to turn the alarm off or leave. Alright, so equipment code 0862, 2 gig thin door window contact. Shift, learn for the serial number. Grab sensor number 3. Open and close the loop twice. Learns right in. Hit OK. Now, next thing we change is the voice descriptor. So this one's going to be the back door, so we'll hit insert, 020 for back, insert again, 058 for door. Looks perfect. Scroll down to chime, make it a 01 voice only. Hit next. Gives you the summary, looks good. Edit next, and then we're on our last thin door window sensor, so this one's going to be the outside garage door there. So we also make it a 03 perimeter instant alarm. Scroll down, equipment code is a 0862 thin contact. Serial number, we hit shift and learn. Open and close the loop twice. Hit OK. And then we're going to give it the voice descriptor. Hit insert. Now this is going to be outside garage doors, so we go 164 for outside. Insert 101 for garage. Insert again 058 for door. Outside garage door. Perfect. And then we just scroll down to the voice chime, make it a 01 voice only. Look at the summary, looks correct. Alright, now the next thing on our list here is going to be the motion detector, which is going to be in the front of the house. So we're going to scroll down, we're going to make it a 04 for interior follower. Scroll down again, it'll automatically say motion because it's interior follower, so it knows. Scroll down again, now the equipment code for the 2 gig motion is 0869. There we go, 2 gig motion with pet immunity. Scroll down, hit shift and learn. There's a couple ways to trip the motion in. I like to just turn it over, and then I'll slightly turn my body a little bit, and then it'll pick the weight up, and it learns in that way. You can also open and close the cover plate. It'll learn that way as well. So the very next thing we do is just scroll down to voice descriptor. So I'm going to put 098 for front, and then 147 for motion detector. And And then scroll down. You don't need a chime for the motion, so just scroll past that. It'll give you a summary of the programming. Looks good. Hit edit next. Now the next one on our list is a glass break detector. We press down on the next open zone. So the zone type is going to be a 03 perimeter instant alarm, just like basically the backdoor sensor, because it goes up instantly when you trip it. Scroll down again. So I don't know what the descriptor is. So it's 0864 for glass break detector on the 2 gig. So you would make it a 0864. Scroll down. You hit shift and learn. Now to trip these in, you basically just twist the plate, lift it off. The tamper spring sends a signal, and then it trips in that way, as you can see. And then the very next thing is to scroll down to the voice descriptor. This is going to be back glass break. So we're going to go 020 for back, and then insert, and then I believe 104 for glass break, and then insert 052 for detector. Now it says back glass break detector. Looks perfect. And then the very next thing is you do not have to add a chime to this. So you scroll past that, check your programming, looks perfect. Last sensor on our list is going to be the hallway smoke detector. So next open zone there, we scroll down. We're going to make this a 09 for 24-hour fire. Scroll down again, equipment code. Let me look here for the proper one. So the proper zone description for that is going to be a 0872 for a smoke detector 1 for USA. Scroll down, it's going to ask us for a serial number. We hit shift and learn. It's going to be just like the glass break. You just twist the cover and open it. This one takes an extra second or two to learn in, so just leave it open until it beeps. And then you can go ahead and close it on up. Hit OK. And then we're going to scroll down to insert the voice descriptor. So we go insert 108 hallway, insert 208 for smoke, insert 052 detector. So we have hallway smoke detector. Scroll down. You do not need a chime on this one. Hit edit next. And so we have basically just programmed all 4 of our wireless sensors, our motion, our glass break, and our smoke into programming. And the very last thing is I'm going to go into programming and change our installer code to what our company uses. And I like to change the timer test to a 7-day timer test, which is on option 29. And then basically you'll back out of programming. You'll put it on test, send signals, and check your signals with the monitoring station. So thanks for joining us today. And if you have any questions, you can check out our website, which is watchdogsecurityca.com. And then our company phone number, of course, is 916-842-4729. And thanks for joining us today. This is Alan with Watchdog Security. Thank you very much.